If you've been hearing about affiliate marketing funnels, but you have no idea how to actually set one up, this video is for you. I'm going to show you step by step how to build a simple funnel using a free tool called System.io, even if you've never done anything like this before. We're going to cover how to create your opt-in page, how to create your thank you page, and how to add your affiliate link the right way. This is going to be the actual steps that you need to take and no fluff. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So before we get into building anything, we need to understand what's the difference between a funnel and a regular website. So you see, this is what a website looks like. So this is an Amazon website, and you can see there's like so many menus, so many different options that anybody can basically go to this website. They get distracted. 1 minute they're in the medical care, and before you know it, they're in pet supplies. They're looking, for a toy for their dog or whatever, right? So it basically distract the customer from making a purchase. Okay, now what a funnel, it basically make the customer goes into a sequence that will eventually end up in making a purchase. So as you can see here, this is an opt-in page. We'll get into that later, and I'll show you how to build one. But essentially what an opt-in or a funnel is, it basically allows people to take one step at a time. You can see clearly here, there's only one button to take. There's nothing else. There's this button right here, send me my guide. So whatever you say in your headline, right? In your funnel, whatever the promise is going to be right here, right? So if it's like, watch this free video, know the secret. It should be, send me the video or show me the video, whatever that promise is. And that's basically what a funnel is. This is one example you can see here. Enter your email address, to get it. Just like I said, this is will get the customer into a specific path, a specific sequence that will eventually result in a sale. Whereas with a website, like I showed you with Amazon, there's so many different menus. Most people will go there, they just don't know what they're looking for, and once they exit, they're gone forever. With a funnel, the story is different. We'll be able to basically capture their emails, so we can basically follow up with them later if they don't buy, and we'll get into that later. Here's another example of a baby product. You can see sign up to get a free shipping, and you can see here, if you get a code, that's basically what a funnel is. There's only one option and one thing to do here, which is basically to get a code. Now, the funnel, this is what a funnel looks like. So this is a typical journey, for a customer. So a traffic, this is where people are coming from. They're coming from either, TikTok, YouTube, Google, right? And then they land on the landing page, which is the opt-in page. We'll get into that later. And as you can see here, there's a name and email. That's the only job of this page. We're asking people for their name and email. You can see there's only one submit button here, right? So there's one action to do. They either click this button and they move on to the second sequence, which is the bridge page here or the thank you page, or they exit and they leave. That's it. So that's what they need to do. And you can see once they click the submit button, they go to the next page, which is a thank you page or a bridge page. That's another name for it. And as you can see here, there's a video or a text, whatever. And then there's a button that takes them to the next step of the funnel, and the next step and it will take them to the video sales letter, and that's basically where your affiliate link is. So I'm on System.io. If you don't have an account, free account yet, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link down in the description so you can basically create your own free account. Once that's done, you want to go ahead and you want to go to sales funnels, then hit create. Then I'm just going to call this YouTube, and then you can choose build an audience, collect email addresses, and build your email list. That's what we did talk about, in the examples that I've shown you. So click save. I'm gonna go here. And now what you can do is you can use and basically find, the templates that you like. But I'm going to, click add a step, and I'm gonna choose one and start one from scratch. Opt-in. I'm gonna call it opt-in page. So this is an opt-in page or a squeeze page. Click save. Okay, so I'm gonna drag this up here, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to click on edit page. All right, so what you want to do is you want to have three things in your opt-in page. Okay, so you want to have a title, and then subtitle, and then basically the space where you ask them for their name and email. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and we want to drag the first element. So we're going to go ahead and drag, the headline. So for example, discover how to lose you know, body fat without without giving up your favorite foods, okay, in as little as 30 days. Okay, so discover how to lose, let's say, 10% body fat without giving up your favorite food. All right, so that would be the title. So um and we basically want to add a title, and then what we want to do is we want to add a row below it right here. Okay, so this is gonna be, a text or subtitle, whatever you want to call it. you know you can add anything. So, the scientific method that no one talks about. Okay, so something like that. And then what we want to do, and by the way, all of the things that I'm doing here, like if you once you basically, if you have an affiliate product, most of the times, they will, give you, templates, that you can work with. But here, for this example, for the sake of this example, I'm showing you how to build one from scratch, or basically, to know exactly what an opt-in page is. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to add a form button. So sorry, a form. So this is where we're gonna add, this is for the email, and then there's one for the name, and then we need a button right here. Okay, so this, once you click on it, you're going to choose the input type. So this one will be email, first name, and then here what we want to do is choose the type. This is going to be email. All right, so and then we're going to click on the button here. So make sure it's a submit form. Okay, so don't change this, and just make it go to the next step, which it will go to the next step of the funnel, which is basically, the thank you page and the bridge page, which I'm going to talk about in a few minutes. All right, so you can basically click here, and then we're gonna basically say, the button text, this is something, so whatever you promised in the title. So here it says, discover how to lose 10% body fat without giving up your favorite foods in as little as 30 days. Okay, so for example, you can say the scientific method no one talks about. um you know all right, so get the free video to discover the scientific method, no one talks about. And then, so this, the button here, so since we're giving them a free video, so this is going to be, I'm going to go right here, and then I'm going to say, send me the free video. Okay, so now what happens is, now once this is done, you want to definitely make sure it's saved up. So what happens is, when people land on your opt-in page, what they're going to do is they're going to add their first name, and then they're going to add their email. They're going to click this button, and then they're going to move on to the next page, which is the thank you page, just like I showed you in the diagram. So now what you need to do is, once they add their email and name, you will basically start collecting their email addresses. But you have to basically set the automation. So if you click here, you see add automation rule. But because this video, I don't want to overwhelm you, I'm not going to go into that in details, but I will create another video where I walk you through how you can basically set up your email autoresponder, so that you can send, the first video, that you can send, the first email. So I'll do that for you step by step. But that's it for, for this one. So now that we're done with the opt-in page, the second step in the sequence is to build a bridge page, or a thank you page, whatever you want to call it. It has many names, but there's only one job for this page, which is to basically thank them, for giving you, the email, or for sending the email, and basically giving them the thing, that you promised. So in the opt-in page, we promised them like a free video. So the bridge page is essentially is a bridge between your landing page and, your sales page, for the affiliate product you're promoting. All right, so this is what a bridge page is. It has only one job, to thank them, to introduce the offer, that you're promoting, introduce yourself. And you can do it with a text, like with thank you, for signing up, or, thank you for, for checking out, the free video, whatever, right? While you're here, you can also because now we want to introduce, the offer we're promoting. So you can say, check your email. I just sent you the free video. And while you're here, right, or while you're waiting for it to come to your inbox, watch this video or read this text or read my story, right? And then you introduce the offer, introduce who you are and how this product you're promoting helped you. Okay. You can use text if you don't want to show your face. I know what you're thinking, like, I don't want to show my face, I don't want to create a video. You don't have to. You can literally use, instead of a video here, you can add a text and then a button. Okay, so let's build it right now. Okay, so since I created the opt-in page here, I am going to remove this here. If you've picked up a template, you don't have to remove it, obviously. So I'm going to remove this, and then I'm going to go to the thank you page. You can use a template if you want to, but again, I'm going to build one from scratch because I want to show you, just like I said, you want a title that says, thank you for signing up. You want to have a video, right? Of you talking about, the product, introducing the product, what the product is, how it helped you, or a text, and then a button. So that's all we need on this page. So I'm going to create one from scratch. I'm going to call this thank you page. All right, so choose template. Oh, sorry, the type is a thank you page. So I'm gonna click save, and then I'm going to edit page here. All right, and again, like we said, we want a headline, and then this will be thank you for signing up for the free video. While you're you're while you're here, check out a video from me, for example, right? Or if it's a text, here's what my story is, or here's how this product helped me, lose 10% body fat in 30 days, right? Because that's what was the example on the opt-in page. Okay, and then what you do here is we need to add a row. So I'm going to add one here, and then what we want to do is we want to drag this video here. Okay, so now we have a video. Okay, now that we have a video, so I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. All right, and then do this, and while you're here, check out a video from me. Okay, so you have a video here, or if you choose to do text, what you do is you really just add a text here, tell your story. Okay, and then what we want to do as well is we want to add another row below the video right here in this section. Okay, and now what we want to do is we want to add a button. So here we go. So this is a button. So this button, it could be, and don't change anything here. You can leave the submit form. To the next step, this is where we want to change. We want to change this to a custom URL, okay? Because the custom URL is going to be your affiliate link, okay? So every time you build a thank you page, the link here is your affiliate link. And I'm going to show you in a second where you can find, just to give you a quick example of products that I can find as an affiliate, and I can, grab my affiliate link. I'll show you how you can do that on digitstore24.com in a second. But here, this is where you add your affiliate link. So, okay, what we can do here is you can say, start your fat loss, or learn how to lose 10% body fat in 30 days. Okay, I'm gonna make it a little bigger here. I don't need a subtext here, so I'm gonna delete this. Okay, all right, so that's it. That's really it for basically, the thank you page. That's all you need: a title, a text if you choose not to show your face, a video of you, obviously, and then this is where you add your affiliate link every single time when you're promoting whatever product. So I'm gonna go to Digit Store right now. If you, like I said, so I'm not gonna go into details of like how to sign up, what Digit Store 24 is. I'm gonna create a separate video where I'm gonna break down for you exactly how to find the products, what to do with the products once you find them, like how to get people interested, like in what you're promoting. That's a different video, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna show you basically what to do once you get your affiliate link. So I'm just gonna go here and copy this promo link. just right away. So if you click copy promo link, it will now copy your affiliate link. Okay, so this is the link that when you use it, and somebody uses it to purchase, this product here, you'll make a commission. But um, okay, so I'm going to go because okay, so let's go with the supplement. Okay, send. Okay, no. So I'm going to go with this one here. Okay, because it's a weight loss product. Okay, so I'm going to click the promote now, and you can see here. Um, okay, I don't know why there is no link. All right, so let's do this. All right, so promote now. All right, there we go. So now what I'm gonna do, this is my affiliate link. So this is how I know, Digit Store is gonna pay me. So I'm gonna take this affiliate link or whatever affiliate link you have, and then I'm gonna go right back into System.io. I'm gonna click on the button that I just created, and then to a custom URL. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paste my affiliate link. It's right here, and then I'm going to hit save. All right. At least one input email is required. All right. So if this happens, what you can do is you can basically go all the way down here. All right. So I'm going to add a row here at the bottom. Okay. Very bottom. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an input as an email. All right, so, and then what I'm going to do is select the type, email. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to delete this. So this does not show. So now it doesn't show. Like when people won't even know it's here. Okay, so this is going to fix the problem. So click save. As you can see, it fixed, the problem. Just to review it. So this is what's going to look like on mobile. So if you click on the mobile tab here, this is what's going to look like on mobile. And again, I'm going to delete this because I just want to have a headline, a video, and then basically, the button that takes me. So let's test it out. So if I go here, I'm going to preview it. All right. And as you can see, this is, the page. And if I click here, it should take me to the affiliate product. All right. So I just clicked it. All right. So let's wait. All right. So save. Let's check. All right. It's right here. So we're all good to go. All right, so I'm gonna save, exit the page. Instead of previewing it, I'm actually just gonna copy this URL. So this is the link of my thank you page, and I'm just gonna paste it here. All right, so this is the actual one. And if I click on it, all right, so enter a valid email address. So let's go ahead and try and fix it really quick. I figured out what the problem was. So we've added the email. So what I'm gonna do is here, the placeholder, make sure you delete that. And once you do this, the front size, just make everything, close to 0. So 8, whatever, the padding, I'm going to make this 0 right here. All right. And this is where you need to change it. So instead of submit form, this is something that's really important. The submit form is basically for the opt-in page only. Okay. What you want to do is you want to go and choose open URL. Okay, so click on it, and then this is where you add the affiliate link. All right, so this is the affiliate link that I got, and just don't change anything. Open in the same window, click save. All right, so I am going to now preview it. All right, so this is my thank you page, and if I click on it, it should take me to the affiliate product, which is the affiliate product that I'm promoting right here. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button because I post beginner friendly tutorials just like this one every single week. And if you're curious about building a real affiliate marketing business from scratch with the help of AI, I will drop the AI Business Builder Challenge I personally recommend in the description below. But for now, start with the affiliate marketing funnel that I just showed you, and I'll see you in the next one.